Comes with the GoPro, charging cable, USB port, little mount, mount to helmets, adapter, your stock GoPro battery. I ordered an extra Enduro battery. Supposedly it's better for life and in colder environments. Comes with your whatever mount, little screw. So here's a look at the GoPro itself. Has all the screen protector still on it. Looking pretty good. We should probably take this plastic off too. Come on. There we go. There's for your mounting point. That's integrated with the camera already, which is pretty sweet. Power button, I'm assuming, or shutter button. Oh, yeah, shutter, power button. Looks good. Like it. Really pretty. Obviously, there's no battery. Well, here's the lens protector, the back screen protector, a little cloth. I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Get back to you guys here in a minute. Ooh, fancy. English, of course, English or Francis. Dutch. Yeah, sure. It's all good. Little instructions there.